What's good, y'all? AJ Simmons checking in, Cleaning Business GOAT. And look, I just want to tell you this, man. Get out here and network. And I know what y'all gonna tell me while I'm telling you what to do. I guess I better do the right thing before I get talking and anyone put this damn seatbelt on. But anyway, I'm out here networking, y'all. So y'all know I got the event coming up tomorrow, the subcontractor certification training I'm doing here in Jacksonville, Florida, from Wednesday to Friday, so tomorrow through Friday or whatever. But anyway, and for those who gonna watch this later, the dates are September the 10th through the 12th. So if you've seen this after that, then you missed it. Sorry. But anyway, and we still got a little bit of slots left. So if you want to go to cleanbusinessnetwork.com/certification and you can sign up. But anyway, I'm out here, man. So my bank emailed me last week, or maybe the week before. But anyway, they emailed me and just to reach out and just say they want to meet me, blah blah blah, schedule an appointment. And so I said, you know what? Let me go ahead, because when I switched to this bank, I never did establish a relationship. Last time I had a relationship with a bank was probably about 2 banks ago. And I just been kind of like flying under the radar because I haven't really been looking for funding. And y'all know, for those who've been around long enough, y'all know that when I do actually get funding, I just typically get it through my credit card processors, whether it's Stripe or PayPal or anybody like that, because it's just super quick. It's not based on credit at all, and it's just based off of your sales revenue, so it's super easy. But anyway, so I went into the bank. I scheduled that appointment to start building that relationship, and that meeting went pretty well. You know what I mean? So that was the first thing, and then right after that, I had to go to the janitorial supply store to get a few things so I can prepare for this training that we got coming up this week. And so I went over to Janitor Depot. Shout out to Doug. I met the owner, Doug. He's over there. And basically, shit is about to rain, y'all, so I'm gonna have to, hopefully it don't mess with the video too much. But anyway, but I met Doug. Shout out to Doug. If you are in the Jacksonville, Florida area or close by and you're looking for a good janitorial supply store, definitely check out Janitor Depot over on Bowden Road. Alright, they got a couple more locations on the way. He actually used to own J & Sand, which is a popular company as well, but he sold that, and so now he got Janitor Depot. And but yeah, definitely check them out, man. He a real knowledgeable guy, cool as hell, down to earth. Like, just that fast I was able to, get a good vibe off of him. But anyway, but I'm saying all that to say this: get out here and network, y'all, because it really does not make any sense that I've owned Clean Business Network this long and I haven't been doing this. I haven't gotten out here and met the local people, the people, the movers and shakers within the industry. And that's something that I do not do well enough, and I need to start doing it more. And like, when I introduced myself, people like, oh dang, I never heard of you. And I was like, yeah, that's bad. You know what I mean? Like, you should know who I am. And then he was asking about the company and all of that. And because he sells starter kits too. So but he doesn't ship though. Everything is local. So we were talking about partnering up, because he, like I told you, he's about to open more stores like throughout the country or whatever. He's gonna probably franchise. And so he was saying how, like, maybe he can start having me travel out and teach some of these people or whatever to help with his company. So but long story short, the point I'm making in this video is network, man. Get out here and meet people, because you never know how you can help somebody else, or how somebody else can help you, or how y'all can help each other. He was telling me about how, like, he get brand new cleaning companies coming in all the time, and they looking to get started, and they don't really be knowing what to do. So it's like, man, I'm the guy. I'm your guy right here. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna take my card back up there. That's another thing. I don't always keep a card on me. Make sure you always keep a card on you. I used to keep a box of them in my damn car. But since most of my stuff that I do everything is online based, I typically get away from it. And then too, I get a little cocky. You know what I mean? And it's like, I'm AJ Simmons, just pull it up. You know what I mean? It's very Googleable. But it's like, you know what? Don't forget the roots. Don't forget the original, stuff that we've been doing that never goes away. That hand in hand, that word of mouth, that simply pass out a business card and get to know somebody. You know what I mean? So that's all I wanted to talk to y'all about today, man. So if you out here, you struggling to find business, you struggling to grow, you trying to change your circle, get outside, y'all. And especially with these janitorial supply stores in general, you all got one in your area. So all y'all be like, where you get your supplies from, you get supplies from. I got a good online plug that I use, that I teach you inside the Cleaning Business Starter course that we got at cleanbusinessnetwork.com. and you can get it in the starter kit as well. But get out here and go to your local janitorial supply. That's a good place to go too. Just go to Google and type in janitorial supply near me, and you probably got at least 3 of them in your area. You know what I mean? So go check them out. Go meet these people, because not even if you don't need to buy any supplies, and because a lot of y'all know some people trying to do remote cleaning companies and all of that just like these days, but still get to know these guys, because they are the plug. Like, they be having trainings. They know all of the other cleaning companies in the area. They probably can tell you who the biggest spenders are in the area. If they've been open a while, they know. They done seen everything come and go. You know what I mean? So make sure you get out here and meet these people, y'all. So I was slipping. I didn't do it. And so now he told me, he said, hey, you should go over there and go meet everybody too. Go meet my competitors. Go meet the vacuum stores, like everybody. Because a lot of y'all too is like vacuum shops out here too. So maybe the janitorial supply store might not be a specialist in vacuums, but you can go to these local vacuum shops and meet those people too. You know what I mean? So many different facets of this industry, y'all. And so why not get out here and get to know people, start building your network? Because as the old phrase goes, your network is your net worth. And I can agree with that. Now, reason why I don't like the phrase as much is because new people in business will hear stuff like that and think, oh, I'm gonna meet this person and they about to make me rich type shit. Like, don't think that. Nobody gonna do nothing for you except you got to do it for yourself. You know what I mean? So don't get that confused with that. But what I am saying is, knowing people, relationships are huge. You know what I mean? And if as long as you've been putting in the work, and as long as you got something to offer, then the opportunities will come. And if you got relationships, it's easier for you to seize those opportunities. So anyway, that's what I got for y'all. I just wanted to come in here and drop some game. I was feeling good, getting outside. Y'all know I'm a homebody, I'm an introvert, and I can work from anywhere right from my laptop, so I don't have to go outside, right? But now that I'm finally outside for once in my life, it feels good. I'm out here making progress, and I hope y'all doing the same, man. Hit your numbers, y'all. If y'all trying to grow, no excuse. Pick up that phone, start cold calling. Get out here, start going door to door with your business cards and your flyers. Do your numbers, all right? If you know you want to get at least 10 new customers this month, then we need to be sending out at least 100 damn proposals. You know what I mean? If you want to get 1 customer this month, you need to send out 10 proposals, because we ain't gonna never close them all, right? So make sure you're doing your numbers. And if you know you need to get 10 proposals out to get that 1 customer, then how many walkthroughs you got to go on? How many cold calls do you got to make? How many doors you got to knock on? Stay consistent, y'all. Put that work in. I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network. If you want to start, grow, or scale your company, check out www.cleanbiznetwork.com and check us out, see what we got, how we can help y'all. I'm out of here. Thank y'all. Drop a comment, network in the comments. Let's get it.